So I have put one day's work clothes in that. Smart casual, green trousers, olive green trousers, and navy military jacket, and a patterned blouse that's got both colours in it. And for the other day, I'm wearing black trousers, jeans type things. I'm going to wear that top and this cardigan, but I'm also using that cardigan to travel in tomorrow, and I'm using those trousers potentially to eat tomorrow night. So yes, I've packed it. Okey dokies. 9:22 to Paris cancelled. That's not what I'm getting, luckily.
Be running a Brussels meeting. Please make sure you take your belongings with you when you leave the train. Thank you for traveling with Eurostar today. I wish you a pleasant afternoon.
This is kind of what I feared. I've arrived at Grunendal and there's nothing here. There's buildings, the station's empty, it's like a village, and I somehow have to get to the hub. I haven't a clue how to do it. There's no taxi rank. Okay. Let's get Googling. It's at moments like this when you realise that actually Google Maps is quite a good company. Giving up my adventures of walking. Pouring with rain, the pavement runs out and I'm walking on the road in the rain, very narrow road, with my dragging my suitcase along to try to find a bus. So I found a taxi. You couldn't understand my pronunciation, so I'm just hoping the taxi turns up. Brussels, and that's going to be €50, so they cancelled. So I've actually rung the hotel I'm staying at, and they've said they're going to send me a taxi now, so better do, otherwise I'm sleeping on the street for the weekend. Well, for the next few days. Video at all, but I have been standing here finding a solution in the rain for an hour now. So a wet but not very happy bunny. I'm here in a hotel. What happened in the end was that I had to ring the hotel. They sent the taxi and I was picked up and brought here. It would have been about a 20-minute walk, which wouldn't have been too bad, but I just wouldn't have known where I was going anyway. It's pouring rain and the pavement ran out, so I'm not walking along the road in the rain with my suitcase. Found the forest though that I was looking for. I mean, I am in the forest. My adventures in the forest. Anyway, so the taxi driver, he thought it was really quite funny that I had, you know, most people just get a taxi from Brussels straight out to the hotel. He thought it was quite funny that I'd actually got, he said, so what did you do? Get on the train? I said, yes, I got the train from Brussels Midi to this station Grunendal, and he thought it was quite funny and said, well, you obviously like your adventures then. Yeah, so and that was his words, you obviously like your adventures then. Actually, no, not really, but I have got the forest right outside my window. I am literally in the forest. I have found the forest. So before I muck it up with all my stuff and unpacking, there's my suitcase. This is the room. Very nice, isn't it? And there's the forest right outside, so I can wake up and look out on the forest. But yeah, so the bathroom's quite interesting. Unusual layout. It's an unusual layout for a hotel room, because the bathroom, yeah, no doorway. Come straight to the bathroom here. There's a shower, and the toilet is a separate cubicle with a glass door. So I'm glad I've got a room on my own. Going to unpack, but actually, to be honest, because I use these e-bags and everything's packed up, that is my day 2 conference clothes. That's day 1 conference clothes. That's day 2 conference clothes. This is clothes for tonight plus day 2 mixed up. I don't see any point in unpacking the e-bags. Might as well just leave them there, so then it's all organised, isn't it? There's no point in packing, unpacking, hanging it up, putting stuff in drawers when it's already sorted and I know exactly what's what, where everything is. I've even got the jewellery I'm going to wear with each outfit inside each e-bag. Look, there's a belt, for instance. So I have unpacked my makeup. Makes it easy for the morning. I've unpacked my toiletries in here. You know, my creams. I've decanted some creams and things. I've got some samples and things with me. Electric toothbrush, face halo. I said to use it for travel. I am using it for travelling. As you know, my aluminium paraben-free deodorant. I'm in one of the white sphere chairs. There's another sphere, and there's another sphere. I think this is one of the most comfortable chairs I've ever sat in. Spin around and show you the view, because it spins. My bedtime drink, which is a decaf coffee, water. I've got a little muffin biscuit there, and hot milk to go with my coffee. Oh, good morning. It's a nice sunny day. Look, I'm having to shield my eyes from the sun. So I slept well, and I'm going to go and find breakfast. And then this morning I'm going for a walk, answer some emails, then go and have a stroll around the forest, and then. Start till later on, and so I am going to go for a walk through this forest and see if I can find the chateau, but it's just too tempting because it's not raining, forest all around me. It's just too tempting to go for a walk. Forest for you. That's an exercise point. Because here is the instructions. You put your feet under the bar and do your sit-ups. Well, now, every forest should have exercise points in, don't you think? Another exercise point, where you're sort of lifting yourself up on the bar. Bit of a wind brewing up. Can you hear the wind? I'm hoping it's not going to rain. Still, I've got a hood on my coat. Been there, done that. Look at these toadstools things, the fungus growing on that tree. There's bamboo growing there. You see how wet it is in this area?